Welcome to our guide on how to turn off vibration on your iPhone. Whether you find it distracting or simply prefer a quieter experience. You are a longtime iPhone user, you are a professional iPhone user. Today we will help you with one more useful feature, whether you know it or not, whether you use it or not, we still hope this feature will support you well when using it. iPhone. We'll show you the steps to turn off those annoying sounds. Step 1, open Settings, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2, navigate to Accessibility, scroll down and select Accessibility. Step 3, access Touch Settings. Step 4, in the Physics and Engine section, tap Touch. Step 5, turn off vibration. Scroll down and turn off the switch next to Vibrate. So, do you know this feature yet? Today we are happy to update you with a feature you may already know. We hope to help you have the quietest, most comfortable space possible when using your iPhone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tip videos.